Welcome everyone to a quick overview of lesson 2.10 from calculus, which is all about other trig derivatives. Without any further ado, let's hop on in. So let's start off reviewing what the derivatives of sine and cosine are. The derivative of sine is cosine, and the derivative of cosine is negative sine. Now, the reason why I want to go over these is because they have aspects of them that translate to the other derivatives. So let's start with the non-cofunctions. Let's start with tangent and secant and figure out what they are. So the derivative of tangent, if you can actually use the quotient rule for this, is secant squared x. So derivative of tangent is a positive secant squared x. The derivative of secant is secant times tangent. All of them are positive. So if you start with a positive regular function, sine, tangent, secant, you get a positive result. Well, that's a little bit of foreshadowing, because if we take the derivative of a cofunction, like cosine, we get a negative result. So both of these results are going to be negative. The derivative of cotangent is similar to tangent, it's just we have the cofunctions instead. So instead of being secant squared, we're going to have negative cosecant squared x. And cosecant is very similar to secant, except negative, and we're sticking with the cofunctions, which would be cosecant x times cotangent x. So not too bad. There's patterns here. Recognize the patterns, make it a little bit easier. So the derivative of the regular functions are all positive. All of the cofunctions are negative. For tangent and secant, they stick with tangents and secants, and the coversions of them stick with the coversions of them. The only one that goes from a cofunction to a regular function would be the sine and cosine, where they switch. All of the others stick with their respective people. And that is it. Good luck to you. Good luck when practicing with this. Again, we got a lot of rules now, so make sure you have some sort of method to memorize and keep up to date with them, because if you don't use them in a little bit, you'll get a little rusty with them. Good luck to you, and I'll see you in the next video.